Megan? Megan? Megs, I think you need to put your head on the pillow because the way you're doing it is making you snore. Yeah? I can hear you in the lounge. She's still snoring. She's awake. She actually starts snoring after like 2 seconds. She's just terrible, isn't she? Have you got a stuffed up nose? Have you got a square spine? I think you need to use it. Where's it? Use your nose spray.
What? I don't get it.
Max, we can hear you 2 rooms away. We're trying to watch TV. Okay.
I've already used it.
I think you should use it
I
again.
have, honestly. Seriously.
You sounded American then. Seriously.
Okay, good night.
No.
Mate.
This.